Englishly podcast.
From Speak English with Class.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Listen,
Your cozy place to learn real, everyday English. Oh, wow. I'm so happy to be here today.
Hi, Mizu, and hi, everyone. Yes, cozy and friendly. I love that feeling.
Today, we're talking about health. Health. Oh, such an important word, right?
Health, yes, very important, Mizu, very important.
But don't worry, friends. Today is easy.
Easy English, yes, no scary medical words.
just simple health talk. Everyday English you can use in real life.
Real life English, yes, simple, calm, and helpful.
Before we start, friends, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Go English for more easy English.
Yes, and please comment below. Tell us, how are you feeling today?
Let's start. Okay, Lucas, let's start very simple. What does health mean?
Good question, Mizu. Health means your body and your mind.
Yes, body and mind. Your body, your arms, legs, head, and your mind. How you feel inside.
Oh, yes, how you feel inside. That part is very important too.
When your body feels good and your mind feels calm, we say you are healthy.
Healthy. That means you feel good. You have energy.
But sometimes we are not healthy, and that's okay. It happens.
Yes, maybe your body feels tired or your mind feels stressed.
So we often ask, do you feel good? Or do you feel tired?
Feel good, feel tired. Very simple, very useful words.
Health is not about big medical words. It's about how you feel every day.
Every day, yes. How you feel when you wake up, when you work, when you rest.
If you feel good, that's great. If you don't feel good, you need care and rest.
Care and rest. Oh, I like that. Very kind words.
So remember, friends, health is body and mind.
Body and mind. Yes, simple, clear, and easy to remember.
Now, let's learn a very useful question, Lucas. A question we use every day.
Oh, yes, every day. This one is very important.
The question is, how are you feeling today?
How are you feeling today? Nice and caring.
We ask this when we really want to know about someone's health.
Yes, about the body and the mind.
The answer can be very short, very easy.
Short answers are good. No pressure.
If you feel okay, you can say, I feel good.
I feel good. Simple and positive.
If you are tired, you can say, I feel tired.
I feel tired. Oh, yes. I say that a lot.
And if you don't feel good, you can say, I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well. That's honest and polite.
You don't need to explain a lot. Just say how you feel.
Yes, simple words are enough.
We can ask friends, family, or coworkers this question.
Friends, family, coworkers, very useful everywhere.
So remember, friends, ask with care, answer honestly.
Ask with care, answer honestly. I love that.
Okay, Lucas, now let's talk about some common health problems.
Common health problems, yes. Things we all have sometimes.
They are not big or scary problems, just everyday problems.
Everyday problems, Mizu. Very normal.
Let's start with a very common one. Tired. Ugh.
Tired, yes. I feel tired after a long day.
You can say, I feel tired today.
I feel tired today. Simple and true.
Another common problem is a headache.
Ooh, headache. Yes, Mizu, I know that one.
You can say, I have a headache.
I have a headache. Easy to say, easy to remember.
Sometimes we catch a cold, a small cold.
A cold, yes, not serious, but not fun.
You can say, I have a cold.
I have a cold. Very common English.
Now, Lucas, let's talk about stress.
Stress. Oh, yes, many people feel stress.
Stress is when your mind feels tired or heavy.
Mind tired. Yes, not the body, the mind.
You can say, I feel stressed.
I feel stressed. That's very honest.
And one more, a sore throat.
Sore throat, Mizu. Your throat hurts a little.
Yes, you can say, I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat. Slow and clear.
The word at the end is stomachache. For example, I have a stomachache.
Have a stomach ache. Yes, that means Mizu's stomach hurts.
Yes, my stomach hurts.
We use have a stomach ache to talk about belly pain. Simple English.
And all these problems are normal.
Normal. Yes, everyone has them sometimes.
It's okay to talk about them and ask for care.
Ask for care, Mizu. That's important.
So remember, friends, tired, headache, cold, stress, sore throat, stomachache.
Tired, headache, cold, stress, sore throat, stomach ache.
You got it.
So, Lucas, we talked about the body and everyday health problems.
Yes, Mizu. Tired, headache, cold. Very common.
Now, let's talk about the mind.
The mind, yes. How we feel inside.
Feelings are part of our health, Lucas.
Yes, Mizu. Very important for mental health.
Sometimes we feel happy.
Happy. That feels good.
Sometimes we feel sad.
Sad, yes. That happens too.
We can feel calm, quiet, and relaxed inside.
Calm, Mizu. I like that feeling.
Or we can feel stressed.
Stressed. Oh, yes. Many people feel stressed.
You can say, I feel stressed today.
I feel stressed today. Simple and honest.
After rest, maybe you feel relaxed.
Relaxed, calm and easy.
You can say, I feel more relaxed now.
More relaxed now. That sounds nice.
And sometimes we feel worried.
Worried, yes, when we think too much.
All these feelings are normal.
Normal feelings, Mizu. Everyone has them.
When someone looks tired or sad, we can ask gently.
Gently, yes, with care.
We can ask, are you okay?
Are you okay? Kind and simple.
Or, how are you feeling?
How are you feeling? I use that a lot.
Or even, is everything okay?
Is everything okay? Very natural English.
These questions show we care.
Care is very important for mental health.
When someone shares their feelings, we don't need big advice.
No big advice, Mizu. Just listen.
You can say, oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. Soft and kind.
Or, that sounds stressful.
Stressful. Yes, that shows understanding.
You can also say, take it easy.
Take it easy, Mizu. I like that.
Or, you need some rest.
Rest is good for the body and the mind.
Small words can make people feel better.
Small words, big care. Very go English.
Lucas, can I share something?
Of course, Mizu. I'm listening.
I feel a little stressed today.
Stressed. Okay.
Work feels heavy and my mind feels tired.
Your mind feels tired. I understand.
I don't feel sick, but I don't feel good either.
Yes, Mizu, that happens.
I just feel not calm.
Not calm. Thank you for telling me.
Sometimes I worry too much.
That sounds stressful, Mizu.
Yeah, it does.
I'm sorry you feel this way.
Thank you, Lucas. That helps.
You don't need to fix everything today.
Oh, that feels nice to hear.
Take it easy, Mizu.
Take it easy. Yes.
Maybe you need some rest.
Rest sounds good right now.
I'm here. You're not alone.
Thank you, Lucas. I feel a little more relaxed now.
Relaxed. That's good. Step by step.
Step by step. Yes. After our little story, Lucas, I think about habits.
Habits, yes. What we do every day.
Our habits affect our health, body and mind.
Body and mind, Mizu. Always together.
Let's start with healthy habits.
Healthy habits. Small things. Every day.
First, drink water.
Drink water. Yes. Simple, but very important.
When I drink water, I feel better.
Me too, Mizu. I feel more awake.
Next, eat vegetables.
Vegetables, yes. Good for the body.
You don't need a lot, just a little every day.
A little is okay. No pressure.
Another good habit is to sleep well.
Sleep well, Mizu. That helps the mind feel calm.
When I sleep well, I feel less stressed.
Less stressed. That's important.
And don't forget to walk or exercise.
Walk, exercise, move your body.
Even a short walk is good.
Yes, even 10 minutes.
Now, Lucas, let's talk about unhealthy habits.
Unhealthy habits. We all have some.
One common habit is sleep late.
Sleep late, yes. Then we feel tired the next day.
Another one is eating too much fast food.
Too much fast food. Tasty, but not great for health.
And sometimes no exercise.
No exercise, Mizu. The body feels heavy.
It's okay. We don't need to be perfect.
Yes, just try one small good habit.
One small step can help our health.
Small steps every day. That's the Go English way.
So, Lucas, after talking about habits, we can give simple advice.
Simple advice, yes. Kind advice.
In English, we often use two easy phrases.
2 phrases, Mizu. Very easy to remember.
The first one is, you should.
You should. Soft and friendly.
For example, you should drink more water.
Drink more water, yes. Good advice.
Another one, you should rest.
Rest, Mizu. Very important for the body and the mind.
Now the second phrase is, you shouldn't.
You shouldn't. Gentle, not strong.
For example, you shouldn't stay up late.
Stay up late. Oh yes, that makes us tired.
We use these phrases to help, not to judge.
Help, not judge. I like that.
Keep your advice short and kind.
Short and kind, Mizu. That sounds very Go English.
Small advice can make a big difference.
Small words, big care. Always.
Okay, Lucas. Now let's try a small health situation. I'll ask the questions. Are you ready?
Yes, ready. I'm ready, Mizu.
Hey, Lucas, you look a little tired today.
Yeah, Mizu. I feel tired today.
Are you okay?
I think so, but my body feels heavy.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I stayed up late.
Oh, I see. That can make you feel tired.
Yes, very tired.
You should rest today, Lucas.
Rest. Yes, I need that.
You should drink more water, too.
Drink more water. Okay, I will.
And you shouldn't stay up late tonight.
I shouldn't stay up late. Yes, lesson learned.
Maybe a short walk can help?
A short walk sounds nice.
Small steps, Lucas. No pressure.
Small steps, Mizu. Thank you for caring.
Always. Health is about care.
Care for the body and the mind.
Okay, friends.
let's stop for a moment and review some key words.
Yes, Mizu. Key words we use every day.
The first word is health.
Health means your body and your mind.
When your body and mind feel good, your health is good.
Body and mind together.
Next word, healthy.
Healthy means you feel good and have energy.
For example, I feel healthy today.
Healthy today. That sounds nice.
Now the word tired.
Tired means you need rest.
Example, I feel tired after work.
After work. Yes, very real.
The next word is sick.
Sick means you don't feel well.
Example, I feel sick today.
Sick today, so you need care.
Now the word rest.
Rest means stop and relax your body and mind.
Example, I need some rest.
Rest is very important.
And the next word is exercise.
Exercise means move your body.
Example, I do exercise every morning.
Even a short walk is exercise.
These words are simple but very powerful.
Simple words for everyday health.
Now the word sleep early.
Sleep early means go to bed at a good time.
Example, I try to sleep early every night.
Sleeping early can improve your health.
And the next word is wake up early.
Wake up early means get out of bed in the morning, not late.
Example, I wake up early to have a healthy morning.
Waking up early helps your physical and mental health.
Now the phrase you should.
You should means it is a good idea to do something.
Example, you should do exercise every day.
And the opposite is you should not.
Example, you should not eat too much fast food.
Small habits can make a big difference.
Health is very important.
Yes, take care of your physical and mental health every day.
Okay, friends, now it's time to practice together.
Yes, don't be shy. Say it with us.
First sentence, listen, then repeat.
Ready? Let's go.
I feel good today.
Again. I feel good today.
Now change one word.
I feel tired today.
Your turn, friends. I feel today.
Fill the blank. Any feeling is okay.
Great. Now the next one.
Listen first.
I should rest more.
Again. I should rest more.
You can change the word.
I should drink more water.
Now you try. I should more.
Maybe rest, maybe water. Your choice.
Remember, small practice is enough.
Yes, small practice every day.
You're doing great, friends.
Very great. Keep going.
Okay, friends, it's time to say goodbye.
Yes, but before we go, let's remember something important.
We want to hear from you. How is your health today? How are your body and your mind?
We care about you. We will read every comment you leave.
So, leave a comment for us and don't forget to give us a like to support our spirit and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
And of course, subscribe to follow more fun and useful lessons with Go English.
All right. Health is important for your body and your mind.
Body and mind, always together.
You don't need perfect English.
Just simple English every day.
You did a great job today, really.
Yes, be proud of yourself.
Remember to take care of your health.
Take care of your health a little every day.
Thank you for learning with us.
We're always happy to see you here.
See you next time on Go English.
Bye-bye, friends. Take care.
Bye.